The most obvious thing every man needs to know is how to touch a woman properly. To make her feel the emotion, making a real connection between both and make her want that touch more and more. This is a real dream for most men, but most men do touch women being confident in a wrong way. Being confident is good, but way too confident ain't that great. Even confident men make mistakes. The thing is to touch her with confidence, but try to understand the signal she gives. Understand her body language and act accordingly. When we sense that connection with her body language, we can act exactly to her inner thoughts. So, today, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to touch a woman and signs to back off. So, here we go. Number 1, where to touch. Don't just touch women wherever you want to. This makes her scared of you. The right place to touch a woman is on her shoulder. Why? Because normally a person gets touched on his or her shoulder more than 10 times a day. Either knowingly or unknowingly, this is quite a comfortable place for women and it's safe too. After making sure she is really comfortable, then you can move on touching more frequently. But I seriously advise you guys to not make touches over her waist or neck. It's really a red sign. Number 2, when to touch. The most common and best time to touch a woman is to touch her while she is saying something to you or when you are saying something to her. It could be something that makes you laugh, smile, etc. Touching her at this point is a way to build a sense of rapport and trust with the girl. Number 3, why is it important? It's really a very important thing to do. It's a bridge you need to cross to make some sexual move. Touch is really a breaking barrier to making more emotional and trustworthy contact between both. You need to understand the real power of touching a woman. It's a really powerful way to make yourself aware of her comfort or interest in you. So, finally what I wanted to say is, if you want something to happen with a girl, you'll have to touch her eventually. Fortunately, you can do this without being creepy or aggressive, and touching a woman will give you a good sense as to whether or not she might be interested in you. If you never touch a girl, nothing sexual will ever happen. It's a first step that has to be taken. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.